The sold history section of APPRAISALS is designed to make your life easier by reducing the time it takes to research comparables and create better valuations. APPRAISALS provides you with access to over 600,000 records of sold history and uses Elasticsearch to match these advertised properties from multiple online publishing platforms to give you a properly searchable database with detailed descriptions. Where no matched data can be found, we manually verify whether the property was ever advertised online, and in some instances we use other software to infer property details based on properties that sold in proximity to the property in question. Our sold history section is designed to help you reduce the time it normally takes to research and review sold properties on the property price register. We also added the ability for you to save searches and properties within APPRAISALS to help you create dynamic lists that can be shared by multiple agents. This hopefully reduces your need to manually update spreadsheets. These lists of comparables can then be used to create individual formatted appraisals for specific properties. This way we hope to reduce the time you spend searching for comparables and make that time more effective. So in this video we've gone through how you can make the best possible sold history search in a particular area. We've used Galway as an example. Moving on to market trends, you can also use this section to view trends of sold property in your search parameters, show different page views, full report, map views, report and results side by side. So APPRAISALS Sold History helps you research and select the most relevant comparable properties for valuations and appraisals in a fraction of the time it normally takes. You can save your comparables to lists, use these to create bespoke appraisals and demonstrate the accuracy of your valuation. You can also see the trends in the value of properties to inform your valuation. Thanks for your time, and I hope we have shown you APPRAISALS takes the pain out of researching comparables for valuations and appraisals. APPRAISALS is a must-have tool to save you time, reduce admin, and if you have any further information, please reach out to us.